Ang unahing dahilan ay yung Plaza Miranda bombing. Nagkakaroon kami ng mga discussion group to discuss yung dialectical materialism, historical materialism. Si Joma yung sa amin, nag-lecture. Yung ideological basis ng aming pinaglalaban. Teorya ni Joma, we don't have to wait for these revolutionary leaps in the process of historical development. But we can create the situation ourselves. Maliit pa lang yung movement. So, how can we create that parang revolutionary tide, yung elections? Nationalista versus Liberal Party. This was 1971. Anyway, sabi niya, the Liberal Party and the Nationalista Party are like two sides of the same coin. They are both parties of the elite. They are both parties of the ruling class, our enemy class. So kung pag-awayin natin to, it will benefit the revolution as a whole. Supposing may mangyaring incident sa yung meeting de avance ng isang partido, mag-aaway yung dalawa. So pag nag-aaway yung dalawang naghaharing uri na partido, it will weaken the ruling class as a whole and hasten their downfall. The Liberal Party will accuse the Nationalista Party naman will adopt repressive measures against the Communist Party because tayong i-blame niyan. And the greater the repression, the greater will be the resistance. Lalong yun ang magkikreate ng revolutionary leap in the process of historical development. Because the greater the repression by the government, dadami ang rebelde. At that time, kukunti lang kami, mga 9 na squad lang kami. Tapos ito yung parating yung armas. Na ilang libo yun? Mahigit 2,000, 2,200. Okay?
Yung mga smuggled na armas na...
Yung sa galing sa China. Okay? Kasi naplano na rin yung pagdating ng armas eh. Pero ang problema, walang hahawak ng armas.
Walang sundalo.
At yun nga ang nangyari. After the Plaza Miranda bombing, anong nangyari? Marcos declared the suspension of the writ of habeas corpus. Ang daming mga pinaguhuli. Ang daming nagtakbuhan underground. Even Edgar Hobson, na moderate, sumama sa Communist Party. Sumama sa movement. Sumama sa armed struggle.
What was your role inside?
Ako yung sasalubong ng mga armas.
Ikaw rin ang gumawa ng
Yung karagatan.
military training. Ng mga, Ikaw rin ang gumawa
Yes.
ng NPA. Ng mga
Yung military training ng NPA kami.
So,
Ako.
ikaw yung
Nagplano. Yeah.
So therefore, yung training nila ay galing sa knowledge mo.
Oh, yeah.
That was your role.
Yes.
Hindi ka sang-ayon dun sa Plaza Miranda bombing. Ano
So,
pa?
nangyari. Nangyari yung Plaza Miranda bombing. Nangyari yung teorya ni Joma. That is the brilliance of Joma.
Yung revolutionary leap na sinasabi.
Na-predict niya yung mga mangyayari. Kaya lang, it's a different kind of brilliance. May pagkakuan dahil ginamitan ng act of terror. Like the bombing of the Liberal Party meeting de avance in August 21, 1971.
So tama si Marcos, kayo nga.
Yeah.
Mali yung Liberal Party
Yes.
na si Marcos.
Yes. I was then newly elected or appointed as a member of the Central Committee ng Communist Party of the Philippines. So, nagkaroon kami ng plenum sa Zambales, December 1975. Gusto kong ilabas yung mga criticism ko at that time. And one of them is the Plaza Miranda bombing. Yung isang immediate kung bakit ako umalis sa movement. um,